Hello everyone, my name is Devashish Patil and today we will discuss different operators present in Java. So we have already known that in C or C++ language, operators are nothing but which generally helps in the operation. Let us consider if I can take A plus B, then plus is known as my operator and A and B are the operands. So operators is nothing but which helps in the operation. If you take simple examples, plus, minus, multiplication, division, remainder, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, these are nothing but my operators. So generally in C or C++ language, we know that operators can be divided into three categories. First is known as my unary operator, second one is known as my binary operator, and third one is known as my ternary operator. The operator which requires only one operand is known as my unary operator. The operator which requires two operands is known as binary operator. The operator which requires three operand as expressions is known as my ternary operator. So today we will discuss the unary operator. That means the operators which will require only one operand. Okay, plus A, minus A, these are known as my unary operators. Okay, so let us discuss what is generally unary operators and what are the role of unary operator in Java. So let us start today's class, that is known as Java unary operator. So as I told you, Java unary operators require only one operand. Okay, the operator which requires only one operand. Operand means the variables. One variable, that is known as my unary. Unary means one, binary means two. Unary operators are used to perform various operations. What are the different operations? Now incrementing and decrementing a value by 1. If I want to increment the value of the variable by 1, or if I want to decrement the value of the variable by 1, then I can use the unary operator, and the unary operator is nothing but my incrementing operator. Then negating and expressions. Negating means if a value is positive and if I want to change the negative value, that is known as negating an expression. Plus x, that will be changed to minus x, that is known as negating an expression. Plus 5 is changed to minus 5, negating an expression. Only one operand x. Okay. So this is known as my unary operator. Third one is known as inverting the value of a boolean. Boolean means that holds only true and false. Inverting means changing. True value can be changed to false and false value can be changed to true by the help of unary operator. Boolean means either true value or false value, either 1 or 0. Okay. So first we will discuss increment and decrement operator. These things we have already know in C and C++ language. Just I will give you small examples. So this is known as my plus and minus. Okay, increments the value by 1, decrements the value by 1. Plus is known as my increment operator, minus is known as my decrement operator. Okay. So if this plus operator is appear after the variable name, this is known as the post increment operator. If the operator symbol is present before the variable name, that is known as my pre-increment operator. Like in decrement, if this decrement operator present after the variable name, then that is known as my post decrement operator. If the decrement operator present before the variable name, then that is known as my pre-decrementation operator. Okay, that is known as post, that is known as pre-increment, that is known as post, and that is known as post pre-decrementation operator. Okay, and what is the difference? Now, in case of pre, either increment or decrement, first the value is incremented, after that it is assigned to the variable. But in case of post increment or post decrement, first the variable is assigned, after that incrementation or decrementation will be done. Okay, in case of pre, first increment or decrement, then assign. But in case of post, first assign, then increment or decrement. Okay, so see, this is the small example, class operator example. See the class name, this is known as operator example. First letter must be capital, and since this name contains two words, so every inner word must be capital. So E must be capital. Okay, operator example, O capital, E capital. Then this is the main method, public static void main string args. S must be capital because string is the inbuilt class in Java. Okay, then I type one variable int x is equal to 10. Then system.out.println, this is for printing purpose, like your printf and cout. X plus plus, S must be capital. In system, S must be capital because system is the inbuilt class in Java. Every class name, first letter should be start with capital letter. System.out.println, X plus plus. So this is post incrementation. Post incrementation is means the value is first assigned. So 10 is assigned to X. So the output is 10. After assignment, the value is incremented to 11. Okay. First 10 is assigned to X and print the value X. After printing, X value is 11. That means here 10 is printed. Then system.out.println plus X. Plus X means this is pre-incrementation. Pre-incrementation means first the value is incremented, then it is assigned. So if the value is first incremented, what is the current value of X? That is known as 11. After incrementation, that is 12 and assigned and print the value as 12. After that, system.out.println X minus minus. This is post decrementation. Post decrementation means first the value is assigned. What is the current value? 12. So 12 is assigned and it is printed. After that, the value is decremented. Decremented value is 11. Then system.out.println minus minus X. Minus minus X means pre-incrementation. First pre-decrementation. First the value is decremented. Decremented means 11 value is first decremented and it prints 10. Okay. Then see, this is the another example. Okay, this is the class and this is the main method. I will take two variables, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10, and both are integer variable. System.out.println a plus 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 a. A plus plus means post incrementation. Plus plus a means pre-incrementation. So a plus plus means what is the value of a? The value of a is 10. So 10 is assigned to a. Plus plus a. What is the current value of a? Now first 10 is assigned to a. After that it is incremented. That means 11. Pre-incrementation of 11. That is 12. So 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. System.out.println b plus 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 b plus plus. Both are post. Here current value of b is 10. B plus plus means first value is assigned, that is 10 plus b plus plus. That means as after assignment value is incremented, that means current value is 11. So 10 plus 11, that is 21. Okay. Then what is this two operator, unary operator? This is one's complement and this is known as complement operator, negation operator. Okay. So what is the work of this two operator? This one's complement operator just do the minus of total positive value which starts from 0. See, here I am taking a is equal to 10. System.out.println one's complement of a. So, what is the value of a? 10. So, minus of 10 plus 1. Minus of 10 plus 1. So, minus of 10 plus 1 means 11. That is the description, minus of total positive value which starts from 0. Minus of a plus 1. So, minus of a plus 1 means negation of a means minus of a plus 1. Minus of a plus 1 means 10 plus 1, that is 11. And system.out.println negation b, and what is the value of b? Minus 10. So, minus of minus 10 plus 1, that is minus 9, and minus minus plus. So, this is the value. System.out.println negation of c. Negation of c means just true is changed to false, opposite of the boolean value. And negation of d means false is changed to true. Okay. So, this is all about your one's complement, incrementation, decrementation, and one's complement and negation. These four operators are present, unary operators are present in Java. Thank you.